Feast your eyes on the beast from the future, the Lamborghini Revuelto. It's loud, it's wild, and it's rewriting everything we thought we knew about supercars. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Revuelto, Lamborghini's first HPEV, High Performance Electrified Vehicle. Strap in, because this isn't just another Lambo, it's a revolution on wheels. Exterior design. Let's start with what grabs your attention instantly, the design. The Revuelto carries Lamborghini's iconic DNA. Low stance, razor-sharp lines, aggressive aero, and scissor doors that scream "look at me." But this time, there's a twist. It's sculpted more by aerodynamics than aesthetics, and yet, it looks like a piece of rolling sci-fi artwork. The Y-shaped LED headlights, hexagonal elements, and the pronounced front splitter are all functional, channeling airflow to cool the engine, reduce drag, and increase downforce. The rear? Pure jet fighter. A massive diffuser, floating taillights, and a center-mounted exhaust that looks like it could launch missiles. Interior design. Step inside, and it feels like the cockpit of a stealth fighter. Lamborghini went all in on minimalism meets high-tech. There's a trio of digital screens, a 12.3-inch instrument cluster, an 8.4-inch central touchscreen, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. Yes, the person riding shotgun gets their own screen. The seats are carbon fiber framed, wrapped in Alcantara or leather, and the signature red start button is still under its jet fighter style flip cover. But here's the cool part. The Revuelto now comes with ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, for the first time in a Lambo. Lane assist, traffic alerts, adaptive cruise. It's brutal luxury with a brain. Now the heart, or rather, hearts, of the Revuelto. At its core is a brand new 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine. But that's only part of the story. It's paired with not one, not two, but three electric motors. Two at the front, one integrated with a gearbox at the rear. Together, they make a combined output of 1,001 horsepower. Yes, 4 digits. 0 to 60? Just 2.5 seconds. Top speed? Over 217 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, it's ferocious. But what's mind-blowing is the hybrid logic. You can drive fully electric for short city trips, or unleash all 12 cylinders and electric torque on the track. Power is managed through a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission and an advanced torque vectoring system that delivers unbelievable grip in corners. For main driving modes, Recharge, Hybrid, Performance, and Corsa, let you tailor the Revuelto's attitude. In Corsa, everything sharpens. Shifts snap violently, the exhaust roars, and the e-motors work in harmony with the V12 to slingshot you down the road. But in EV mode, it becomes quiet, almost tame. A side of Lamborghini we've never seen before. Perfect for sneaking out of your driveway without waking the neighborhood, for once. Handling-wise, the Revuelto is laser-precise. Built on a brand new mono-fuselage carbon fiber chassis, lighter and 25% stiffer than the Aventadors, this car dances through corners. It features all-wheel drive, rear-wheel steering, active aero, and magnetic suspension. It reads the road in real time and adjusts accordingly. The result? A supercar that's more agile, more planted, and more confidence-inspiring than any Lambo before it. And the brakes? Massive carbon ceramics. Offer insane stopping power. Because when you're pushing past 200 miles per hour, you better trust what brings you back down. What makes the Lamborghini Revuelto truly stand out? It's not just the raw power, or the jaw-dropping design. It's the balance. The fact that it gives you V12 thunder and silent electric mode. That it's brutal and refined. Loud and intelligent. It marks Lamborghini's transition into the electrified age without losing what makes it special. The drama, the sound, the emotion. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover version, script and segments for video editing, or variations for YouTube Shorts or Reels.